green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Congratulations if you were able to complete the challenge, everybody. I know that was hard even for me. Now, if you had some difficulty, always try performing them on your knees, or of course change your forearm placement to load either your triceps or your front deltoids more, and of course get rid of your ego. Perform them correctly till failure once every 3 days for maximum results, guys. Make sure you keep us updated in the comments below with how you did. Have a great day, everyone.